Hello friends, greetings from Iceland, from icy Iceland. Here we are at the Hraunfossar waterfalls today on December 30th, one day before the start of the new year. We actually rented a summer house very close from here at Skars in Borgarfjörður, and we used the chance when we had been free to come here today, and I took my drone in the air to film this waterfall for you, this amazing waterfall called Hraunfossar or the Lava Falls. Hraun is lava in Icelandic, and foss or fossar in plural is the waterfall. That's how it looks in winter. It's one of the most famous waterfalls in the west of Iceland. Truly picturesque place, especially in the summer, but also in the winter, though it's partially frozen as you see. Not many visitors are coming here in winter time, and it's kind of off popular tourist routes, but it's worth to visit. It's part of a tour called the Silver Circle from Reykjavik. Some companies do come here every day. And now I'm taking off, and I will show you the largest lava field in the west of Iceland called Hallmundarhraun, or the lava of Hallmundur, a legendary figure from the settlement time of Iceland from the 10th century. He was a giant who lived in a cave further east, closer to the Langjökull glacier. And this is how this lava field looks from the area in wintertime. It occupies a terrain of about 240 square kilometers. It's the largest lava field in the west of Iceland. The lava came from several craters close to the Langjökull glacier. It's part of Langjökull central volcano. That's where it's erupted from. Langjökull central volcano has countless mountains, craters around it. It's in the northern part of the Langjökull glacier, and this eruption supposedly started around the year 900 and lasted for a few years. It was a shield eruption. Most of the activity which produced all this lava came from the crater called Hallmundarhraun, or the crater of Hallmundur, the same legendary figure which features prominently in Icelandic sagas, especially the saga of Grettir, or Grettir's saga. And he is said that he used to live in a cave, in a large cave close to Eiríksjökull glacier. There are lots of caves in this lava field. In fact, the biggest lava caves in Iceland are situated precisely in this lava field. The biggest lava cave is called Gelmir. I visited it on several occasions. When I used to work in a company called Nice Travel, we used to do the Silver Circle, and I was coming with tourists to this big lava cave with Gelmir. But there are a few more lava caves, including Surt's Hatlir, or the caves of Surt, and a few more. They are all quite big. Those are lava tubes, lava tunnels, as most of times lava travels through the lava tubes or lava tunnels, extensive lava tube system which delivers lava to quite far away distances. In fact, this lava field stretches for some 54 kilometers. That's how far basaltic lava flowed from the crater. So you can imagine how big is this lava field. As I told, it's estimated to be about 240 square kilometers big, one of the largest lava fields in Iceland and in the world. And this river originates somewhere from the glacier, Langjökull glacier. It's called Hvítá, or the White River. It forms two waterfalls. One is the lava falls, which you have seen, and then another one is called Barnafoss, a bit further along the flight. I'm coming very close now to Barnafoss. You will see it. Barnafoss translates as children waterfall, but or barn are children in Icelandic. There is a legend that two kids drowned in this river trying to cross it in wintertime during Christmas. Following their parents, they were left behind at home after their parents went for Christmas service. Across the arch here there was a stone arch, and they tried to follow them, and they fell into the river. Kind of sad story. That's why their mother eventually destroyed that stone arch when she discovered what happened. That's why it's called Children's Waterfall, Hraunfossar. Now you see the lava field, Hallmundarhraun lava. The name Hallmundur translates as a stone hand. Hallur is stone. Icelandic mundur is, and it features in many place names, and it's also Icelandic personal name Hallmundur. Double L in Icelandic is pronounced as the at. I don't know if you know, but Icelandic is kind of special when it comes to pronunciation. Very often you write one thing and you pronounce something different. So there are two viewing decks along Hraunfossar waterfalls. This is one of them, and the other one is closer to the restaurant, which is rather expensive to stop for a lunch, but there are no other options as it's the only one and there is no competition for them in the area, so they can set pretty high prices. So I highly recommend you to visit this waterfall if you have a chance. In winter time especially, though the road can be icy, you really need to have studded tires to travel here. This is the restaurant. It's quite isolated. There are very few farms around here. And according to the tradition, according to the legend, some of the farms had been destroyed during this lava flow of Hallmundarhraun when it erupted along Jukut central volcano and destroyed many farms. When this lava flowed, now you can see this immense lava field, the largest lava field in the west of Iceland. There are some roads across it you can drive through. It's all basaltic lava, which comprises 80% of Iceland. Iceland is 80% basalt, and basalt also covers most of the ocean bed of our planet. As you know, also 80% of Venus is basalt, great parts of Mars, and even some parts of Moon Valley is also made of basalt, as well as meteorites. It's a very common rock through solar system. So this is how it looks, the largest lava field in the west of Iceland, Hallmundarhraun. And I will start landing here soon. On the occasion, I wish you happy New Year, have a peaceful, blessed New Year, and be well. All the best, greetings and wishes from Iceland.